Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App free money hack video. So we're back checking out another Cash App hack. Gonna see what this one's all about, see if it's a scam, see if it's legit, see if you actually get free money. I've been doing a lot of these reactions. People seem to like them, so I'm gonna keep doing them. Hopefully they help you guys out to see if they're fake or not. I have a lot of experience using Cash App and mobile apps, so it's pretty easy for me to tell what's going on with these. Today we're looking at Cash App hack, money sign emoji, how to get $750 free money on Cash App. With this app, Smiley Face 2020 updated. So that's the craziest title I've ever seen. Published February 24th, so actually a few days ago. This one has 15,000 views by Poplicker00. So let's go ahead, click play, get into this one, see what it's all about. Right off the bat, this dude is showing like Cash App in a mirror in his car. What's going on with that? Let's see. He says, look how broke I am right now. I got 83 cents. So he's saying he found out about this Cash App Earn app. So it's saying you can download this app. It's going to give you $75 per task. Pretty much guarantee that's fake. It's not available on Google Play or Apple. So that tells you it's not very legit. Now he's saying he deleted the app. He's going to show us how to download the app now. Go to this website. So you put in your username. Yikes, that looks scary. So this is similar to the other ones. He's just saying like, get this app, but it's a fake app. You know, this is kind of the same as the website scam ones. So put in your username, start earning cash, you know, yada yada. Like, why is this dude in his car? We're going to profile. I wouldn't recommend getting any app like this on your phone just because it's like it could do things that you don't want to happen. If you're giving it permissions and you don't know what permissions you're giving it and stuff, it could use information from other apps, etc. So this one is even more sketchy than the website ones. So we're saying to open this app now, about halfway through the video. Earn $75 per task. Imagine if you could just download an app and earn $75. That is fake. So he's saying these are the tasks, these are the things you can do. Let's see what he does. Looks like he's downloading some of these apps, installing them, you know, use the apps for 30 seconds. So now he's doing the other one. So he's now opened up Cash App. He says, give it 5 minutes. I want to see if he does a cut right here. Yep, there he did the cut. Well, like, what? Why does he think people would believe that? So right here he does a cut, he just skips to a screenshot where it shows $150 in his account, but the title says $750 and he didn't even get $750, so what's up with that? Your scam ain't even working, bruh. He said the money came after 2 minutes. And this is just a screenshot that he's showing, or like he added the money manually, he's just showing it. But it's probably just a screenshot, and he can't actually interact with the app at this point because it's just a fake screenshot. He said the money's unlimited. If it was real, he would go to the history tab. Let's see if I can show the history tab here. You know, right down here is the history tab. He could go to that tab and actually show like, look, $150 came into my account and this is how it got there. This is who it came from. You know, it can't just be generated. Someone has to send it to you, or you have to send it to yourself from your bank. So somehow that money got onto his account if it's actually there. It's probably not. It's probably just a screenshot, something that he photoshopped. So myth busted, this isn't $750 free money. This isn't a hack. This is just fake, and it's potentially a scam. If you download that app, you give it permissions, like it could do stuff with the information on your phone that you definitely don't want to happen. If you want to learn how to actually use Cash App, you can get $5 free. I have a video on that. You can get a free stock on Robinhood up to $500 and $5 free on Acorns. All of these videos are on my channel with tons of other mobile app tips, tricks, tutorials, experiments, stuff like that. So definitely check out my channel, subscribe if you're interested. Let me know what you guys think of this Cash App scam down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you're interested in more. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.